I have been building conversational AI solutions for months and months while studying business and AI in uni. And today I'm going to show you how you can skyrocket your website engagement by putting an AI agent on your site that talks to your visitors directly. It is able to schedule meetings and extract lead information. And by the end of this video, you will have a fully functional voice agent on your site up and running. And I will also give you all the tools and resources you need along the way to make it as easy as possible to follow along. Let's get started. But first, maybe some background over me. My name is Tim, as I've already said, and I'm studying business and AI in uni. And we started this company when ChatGPT launched, so we've actually been doing this for a while. And now the question is, why would you want this AI agent on your website? And the reason why you need this agent is it is available 24/7, 365, so every day of the year without pause. It is instant visitor engagement, meaning every visitor on your website is able to instantly engage with the agent, and this turns browsers into buyers. This agent is able to, like I already said, book meetings, get lead information, etc. through the natural flow of the conversation, and this just turns browsers into buyers. There's no question about it. Also, you stand out from the competition. It's been possible with this tool for like 3 weeks or something, so you really stand out from the competition and you build trust because you have instant answers on your website, and customers love that. We are building this agent with ElevenLabs. And who is ElevenLabs? ElevenLabs is a company with deep expertise in speech AI and also pioneering in text-to-speech, also speech-to-text, AI voice generator, and more. And they are the primary provider of AI audio solutions with the agent that we will build. And how our agent works is we have speech-to-text. This gets fed into an LLM. And then out of the LLM, we get the text-to-speech back. And this is the AI agent answering the query from the visitor. The good thing about this agent is it doesn't require an opt-in, so you just have to press a button on the website and you will be able to directly talk to the agent, and it is in real time, so I just have to press a button on the website to activate it, and I'd suggest we just do that and see how it goes.
Hey, I'm Sunny. How can I assist you today?
Hi Sunny, what is your purpose? What are you doing?
I'm here to help you explore how AI agents, voice AI, and automation can enhance your service-based business. Whether you're looking for information or want to schedule a consultation call to discuss your needs, I'm ready to assist you. What can I help you with today?
That's great to hear. Would you be able to send me more information?
Of course. I can send you more information about how ximus can help your business grow with AI-driven solutions. What specific details are you interested in? Or would you like me to send you a custom AI growth white paper?
I think you might just can give me more information right here on the spot. What info do you need about my business to give me relevant information?
I can certainly provide some information. To tailor it to your needs, could you share what type of service-based business you operate and what specific challenges or goals you have in mind? This will help me give you the most relevant insights.
So I'm running a construction business and I struggle with the appointment booking process, and I was thinking maybe AI can help there.
That makes sense. Implementing AI can definitely streamline your appointment booking process, making it more efficient and user-friendly. AI agents can handle scheduling, manage inquiries, and even follow up with clients automatically, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Would you like me to send you a detailed white paper on how AI can...
So, like with every software, you were first going to go to the website of them. It's ElevenLabs.io. I will link it in the description down below. And then you're going to make an account. And then this is what you are going to see. This here are all the different tools you can use. We are going to use agents. So go to agents. And I already created one, but I will create a new one alongside with you. So click on Create AI Agent. You can use any of those templates here. I will just start with a blank template and I will name the agent Sunny. Click here and then go on Create Agent. This is just going to load for a second and now we can customize it. The first thing is the agent language, which is going to be English for us. The first message is what Sunny is going to say when the agent is first activated. This is what I'm going to put in here. And then we have the system prompt. The system prompt is basically the instructions for the agent, how it should act like, what their language should be like, etc. So all the information your agent needs to know is going inside the system prompt. I have prepared a prompt beforehand. I will provide it to you in the description down below with the other resources. Keep in mind you need to fine-tune this to your company, obviously. So this is now fine-tuned to my company, and also it's really detailed, it's quite long, and it's written in markdown format. You can use this prompt or a similar prompt, no problem, but like I said, you just have to customize it for your needs. The goal of our system prompt is to instruct Sunny to get the visitor to either book a meeting or request further information via email, so we can get the personal information about the visitor. If you wanted to have a different use case, for example, an FAQ agent, you would have to specify this in the prompt here, but you can just, yeah, like I said, change it to whatever you want it to be. As an LLM, we will use GPT-4o Mini. At the moment, this doesn't cost us anything, like it says here. This is at the moment currently covered by ElevenLabs, but in the future this cost will be passed on to us, so we can take advantage of this now without further cost. And I will talk about costs later down the line. The temperature, we will keep this as is at 0.5. The temperature is basically just the creativity of the responses generated by the LLM. We will keep the token usage the same. Knowledge base. So the knowledge base is basically all the information the AI agent has about your information or about the specific topic the agent should talk about. In our case, we want the agent to have all the specific information about my company. And also in your case, you want the AI agent to have all these specific informations about your company. So if you wanted to input a knowledge base here, do that. Also worth mentioning, for the knowledge base, it is best to have it as concise and clear as possible. And obviously you don't want any errors in there, because if you do, then the AI agent might hallucinate and like put out those errors, which you obviously don't want. You don't want to have false information spread about your company on your website. I will skip this part for now and continue with tools. If you've seen my previous videos of Vapi AI and Make.com, you know exactly what those are. If you haven't, tools are basically functions that enable us to trigger webhooks and automations in different softwares and third-party softwares directly during the conversation here. And we use two tools here. We use firstly the book slot tool and the check availability tool. With the check availability tool, we check if the requested time of the user is available in our calendar, and if the time is available, we trigger the book slot tool so the time is actually locked in. And for the tool, firstly, you will give it a name. I have given it check availability, and then a short description, just very short, one sentence. The method is post, and then we have the webhook URL. You will get this webhook from Make.com, from this automation here. We have built this automation in a previous video. If you haven't seen that yet, definitely go and check that out. It's really valuable, and this is the automation that checks if the given slot is available in our calendar. And we just go to the first webhook here and copy this address to clipboard. This is what we put in here. We do not need headers, path parameters, or query parameters. We only need body parameters, and we give it a short description, and the property will be requested time, and this is the requested time when the user wants to book the appointment. Hit save changes, and then the second one is the book slot. We again give it a name, description. The method again is post, and this is the URL of the book slot Make.com automation, and this is where you will get the URL from. So again, this is a Make.com automation. This books the slot in the calendar, and we get the URL from this webhook here. Again, click on it, copy address to clipboard, and hit OK. Go back to ElevenLabs and paste the URL in here. Again, no headers, no path, no query parameters, but body parameters, and we will use a short description here, and then add 3 properties: the agreed time, which is the time on which the slot is available and the user wants to book, then the username and the user email. Hit save changes and click save. After saving, we can continue with the voice. This is just how the agent will sound like. We will use a conversational voice just because they sound more natural when actually talking to them, and just for the for this purpose we will use Jessica. This actually can just decide on your own voice here. It's not that important, and we will not touch any of the other settings in here. Just again hit save, and we will now go to advanced. We will not talk about analysis and security. You can just leave those two as is. I will not change the turn timeout, and I will also not change the max conversation duration. This is in seconds, so 300 seconds max conversation. We just want to make sure that the store call audio is turned on, and then go to widget. And this is the really cool part. So I wouldn't recommend using ElevenLabs except you want to put this voice agent directly on your website, and this is the part where you do it. So you have this embed code, you can copy it and paste it in the HTML of your website, and this just creates this widget you see here on your website. And if you click start call, you can talk to the AI agent, and you can also customize it. So we will leave the background color the same. I will just use my brand colors here. We want the button color to be this and the button text color to be this, so it's just more accent there. So this just updates the box and the button here. You can also change the format here with compact, full, or expand. I will just use full because I think it looks the best. And also you can configure the avatar down here. So I will just change this to my company colors again because I like the looks of it. But you can also upload a link to a picture, or you can upload the image directly in here. And also you can customize the text on the button. So we will customize it, and we don't need to change this because this only is important if you want to share the page and want to have any additional information there. And after you hit save, you can either again put this code on your website. And the best thing is, if you put this code on your website and you update anything in the agent here, the code will automatically update also on your website. You don't have to change anything else. You just have to put this code in once, and then it's there forever. So I would suggest let's test the agent out.
Hey, I'm Sunny. How can I assist you today?
Hi, Sunny. What is your purpose? What are you doing?
I'm here to help you explore how AI agents, voice AI, and automation can enhance your service-based business. Whether you're looking for information or want to schedule a consultation call to discuss your needs, I'm ready to assist you. What can I help you with today?
That's great to hear. Would you be able to send me more information?
Of course. I can send you more information about how ximus can help your business grow with AI-driven solutions. What specific details are you interested in? Or would you like me to send you a custom AI growth white paper?
I think you might just can give me more information right here on the spot. What info do you need about my business to give me relevant information?
I can certainly provide some information. To tailor it to your needs, could you share what type of service-based business you operate and what specific challenges or goals you have in mind? This will help me give you the most relevant insights.
So I'm running a construction business, and I struggle with the appointment booking process, and I was thinking maybe AI can help there.
That makes sense. Implementing AI can definitely streamline your appointment booking process, making it more efficient and user-friendly. AI agents can handle scheduling, manage inquiries, and even follow up with clients automatically, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Would you like me to send you a detailed white paper on how AI can...
Obviously, we can do this infinitely long, and we could also trigger the make.com automation. I purposely did not do that right now because I didn't set it up the way it would work. And this is how the AI agent works. You just can talk to it on your website directly. You can implement the code in the HTML of the pages you want it to be in, and then you have it on your website. Now, I've already mentioned before that the pricing here is a little different than in Vapi, what we've seen before. And let's just talk about that. Huge shout out to Nathan Argento here for putting this table together. The pricing from ElevenLabs is different than for Vapi and Retail, for example, because Vapi and Retail are pay as you go. So you pay per minute. ElevenLabs has a subscription-based pricing. So you pay either, for example, $5, $22, $99, $3.30 or $13.20 per month, and you get a certain amount of credits, and those credits will be used up during calls. So these are the number of minutes you will get out of your credits when calling, and this translates to about these costs per minute. And as you can see, 16 cents per minute is quite high already, and we only get a similar pricing per minute when we go with the biggest plan available, which is $1,320 per month, because similar platforms like, for example, Vapi and Retail cost around 5 to 12 cents per minute, which means this is significantly more expensive than other platforms for a functionality which is basically the same, except you can put it on your website. Now, you will have to determine yourself if this is worth it for yourself. I personally think there are definitely some use cases where it can be beneficial, and this is also, in my opinion, the only downside with the ElevenLabs agent. It's not really competitive with the other platforms. So if you want to have this as a cool feature, you can definitely go with it and implement it on your website, or you can just put a phone number on your website, which can be called by your leads, which is an extra step for them. Fair enough, but you can connect your agent with that phone number, and when you get a call, you can also interact with the AI agent there. Or you can just put a basic chatbot on your website, which does the same job, but not with voice, but text-based. So now that you know how to implement an AI agent on your website, you need to know how to leverage the same technology to grow your business by up to 400% according to Harvard Business Review. So check out this video next, where I shared the exact system, how it works, and how you can use it to 4x your business. And if you want me and my team to come in and do all the work for you, you can book a call with us with the link down below. Like and subscribe, and talk to you soon.